Hello, everyone. Today we're going to start off with ancient Egyptian geography to start off our ancient Egyptian unit. So let's jump into it. So the major and biggest thing about ancient Egyptian geography is the Nile River. So where is Egypt? It is in the continent of Africa, so right here. The Nile River runs through Egypt, and the capital of modern Egypt is Cairo. And here is Egypt on the map of the world. So the ancient Egyptians, like the Mesopotamians, settled near a river because of the benefits and the contributions it gave. So some of the reasons why we did this is travel, trade, irrigation of crops, water for drinking and cooking, yearly flooding, which left behind rich, fertile soil. Now, the Nile River Valley. The Nile is the longest river in the world, almost 4,000 miles long. It is shaped like the lotus flower, so often seen in ancient Egyptian art. The Nile flows from the south to the north because of the geography. So it actually starts up here and goes this way. And you can kind of see that it looks like a flower. Mountains are to the south and low-lying plains are in the north. As the water comes down from the mountains, it flows through the river delta and empties into the Mediterranean Sea. Civilizations started along the Nile about 5,000 years ago. Without the Nile, Egypt would be a desert because it rarely rains. Each spring, water would run off the mountains and the Nile would flood. As the floodwaters receded back, rich, fertile soil was left behind. The ancient Egyptians called this rich soil the gift of the Nile. The areas after flooding is called black land because of the nutrient-rich soil created by silt. The surrounding desert area is known as the Red Land. So, gifts of the Nile. Fertile soil for crops was not the only gift. The Nile gave ancient Egyptians many gifts. Thanks to the Nile, these ancient people had fresh water for drinking and bathing. The Nile supported transportation and trade. The Nile provided materials for building, for making cloth for clothes, and even for making paper, made by wild papyrus weed that grew along the shores of the Nile. Uh, it was also Egypt also had a lot of natural protection from natural barriers from its geography. The ancient Egyptians enjoyed many natural barriers. These were deserts to the east and west of the Nile River and mountains to the south. This isolated ancient Egypt and allowed them to develop a truly distinctive culture. Other natural barriers included the Mediterranean Sea to the north and the Red Sea to the east. So let's go ahead and take a moment here to view our our video here, and let me just make sure. Sorry guys, I'm using a new computer today because my other one is a little um, is a little out of sorts right now. Okay, so let's do this one. Let's watch our video here.
The ancient Egyptian civilization lasted for over 3,000 years
Okay, very cool. All right, everyone. I hope that you learned something new about something old. I will see you later. Bye.